Quite often, when people are interested in buying a yacht, they first look at its exterior. After that, they check its general interior arrangement and then dive into its specifications. While the exterior, interior, and specs are all important, there are several other boat features that receive a lot less attention than they deserve. Noise and vibration, for instance, don't affect the way your boat looks or moves, but they are of critical importance when it comes to the comfort and safety of passengers and crew. Let us hear from Alexei Mikolov, the owner of Bering Yachts.
Noise and vibration. It's two very important factors which come to play when we're speaking of comfort. When we speaking of super yachts, noise and vibration often specify in a contract. And also there are comfort class and comfort plus class which develop for the super yacht, where noise and vibration one of the leading factors which determine the comfort. For the smaller boats under 24 meters, it's not that specified. I mean, of course, CE and some other classification society have some recommendations or limits for noise and vibration, but usually they're pretty relaxed. They're far from comfort. They probably will fit more like a safety levels, because there are some noise and vibration levels which jeopardize the safety. So they could be harmful for people. And if you're staying on the boat for a long time, if you're living aboard like a crew do, noise and vibration become critical. It's closely related to your health, to your physical condition, and to your well-being, which predetermine your staying on the boat satisfactory to you, or boat is sort of squeezing you. You don't even know why, because subconsciously in a noisy environment it's kind of like a pressure which constantly pressing you, and vibration is also much it's hard to put it together with the comfort. So in this video we will tell you how important to suppress noise and vibration on sea crafts.
Sound is produced by vibrating objects, and it reaches the listener's ears as waves. When an object vibrates, it causes slight changes in air pressure, and these changes end up producing sound. Noise, on the other hand, is an unwanted sound, especially one that is loud and unpleasant or that causes disturbance. Loud noise, in fact, can even cause immediate harm to your ears. And this table will show how sound turns into noise gradually, depending on the pressure levels. Vibration and noise are generated in the same way. They come from the same sources. The difference being is how they are perceived by the observer. Vibration involves the frequency ranges of 1 to 80 hertz, and we feel the vibration. But noise is in the frequency range of 20 to 20,000 hertz, and the observer hears the noise. The attempts to reduce noise will also actually work for vibration.
There are many regulations on noise and vibration issued by a variety of international and national bodies. What are the main ones?
So the first key document is the Code on Noise Levels on Board Ships by the International Maritime Organization. This code has been used by several bodies to set up the norms and regulations. The aim of the code is to limit noise levels and prevent exposure to noise. This code prevents communication errors that might be dangerous, protects the seafarers from short to long-term hearing injuries, and provides the crew with a comfortable living and recreational spaces. The International Organization for Standardization sets standards for vessels with regard to habitability on board for passenger and merchant ships, especially for crew. The International Labour Organization has ratified the Maritime Labour Convention. It is the most comprehensive code regarding seafarers' rights. The vibration and noise requirements are also provided by the American Bureau of Shipping. Out of the ABS, the following agencies regulate the comfort level of modern-day super yachts, these being the Bureau Veritas, Det Norske Veritas, Lloyd's Register, and RENA.
These regulations help shipyards, owners, designers, and regulators to address noise and vibration issues. Some of these documents, such as ILO, are legally binding to the states and ship owners. Others are the set of strict recommendations when designing a new vessel. It all gives the safest and most comfortable environment for sea lovers.
Work-related hearing loss and vibration-related health effects are critical workplace safety and health issues. Seafarers may experience motion sickness, body instability, fatigue, and noise-induced hearing loss, which is one of the most common occupational diseases.
Improper noise and vibration can also cause speech interference, mask warning signals, disrupt sleep, and create harmful living and working conditions. If designed correctly, vessels with proper noise and vibration levels can provide a comfortable environment for improved crew performance and have a positive psychological effect on seafarers.
The prevention of noise and vibration can be implemented in several ways. Both can be predicted at design stage. The proper planning allows you to minimize the level of noise and vibration pollution by proper arrangement of main equipment, such as engines, generators, ventilation, and exhaust systems.
Careful consideration should be given to designing noise and vibration reduction elements, because in some cases the cost of fixing noise or vibration issues can be as much as 10 times more expensive after construction than if incorporated into the design from the preliminary design stage.
The noise treatments discussed above are not the only ones available in the marketplace. There also are possible applications of noise-cancelling technologies such as active mufflers, active mounts, noise-cancelled quiet zones, and noise-cancelling headsets.
Well, let's talk about some vibration-reducing approaches. Some of the solutions for noise, especially for structure-borne noise, can also be used to reduce vibration and meet the requirements. Using low vibration machinery and providing sufficient propeller clearances during the initial stage of the ship design, installing moment compensators with the engine, using vibration predictions according to your test results, implementing hull structure and propeller treatment, and mechanical source anti-vibration treatment.
All these solutions ensure good quality accommodation and recreational facilities on board, promoting safety, health, and well-being for the crew and passengers. This goal is one of Bering's very highest priority, and let's see what we do for acoustic and vibration harm prevention.
All yachts constructed by Bering go through a rigorous procedure of noise and vibration prevention design at the initial stages. Using computer-generated models, Bering naval architects and designers are able to predict the noise and vibration impacts of design and machinery in the yacht, and create spaces and arrangements that ensure seafarers' safety and comfort.
This is rock wall, noise and vibration insulation. We are using that between our walls and floors to stop these noise and vibration problems. For minimize all these problems, we are using the correct thickness, what we need in our boat zone. In Bering, we are building commercial class boats. In this case, we use not only rock wool, we are using also mascot and thermoflex. All these materials help us to take care about the comfort and safety of our crew and passengers on the boat.
Bering Yachts has employed an official analytics company to provide noise testing of 24-meter boats Veronica built in 2021. This testing is a standard procedure for all new vessels at Bering's. Based in Australia, Veronica has an impressive 165 tons displacement and features a speed range from 8 to 11 knots. Testing took place in May 2021 and results were exceptionally good.
These measurements were taken using a Bedrock SM90 acoustic measuring instrument. Noise level measurement points were tested throughout the boat and taken in accordance with the ISO 16283-1. Noise levels were taken at anchor position and at maximum speed of 1700 RPM and 11.5 knots. we have produced a table comparing noise level recommendations from the American Bureau of Shipping, ABS, a world-leading classification organization, and the results from the Veronica testing. This table shows the maximum noise levels for superyachts at both harbored and sailing conditions in comparison to the B77 Veronica noise testing. Values are in decibels.
Well, as you can see, almost all measurements of the B77 in any condition stays within the limit and sometimes are even lower than the requirements for measurements. So a Bering under 24 meter yacht's performance is very positively comparable to the super yachts when it comes to noise and safety. Well, thank you guys for watching till the very end and hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions at all, just leave them down below in the comments section and go out and check out the other Bering exclusives until we come up with the next one.